I just wanted to go ahead and give you a preview of this cup that I just finished. It is a wine tumbler that I went and hand painted and then put a 2-part epoxy over. On this one, I kind of did it in a garden theme, as you can see, with a couple of flowers, the sky, and I even did the grass. And let's see if you can zoom in on that. A few little bugs on there as well. Camera looks like it does not want to zoom in on that. Let's see. You can kind of see it. It's like a little dragonfly. A few flowers, clouds. It's supposed to be the sun. Over here I have a few, let's see, get those, a few ladybugs. Even on the bottom I went and added a couple of worms in the dirt. Have the grass. There's a worm. Unfortunately, I don't have videos of me actually painting the whole thing. I don't know why I didn't think to record it. It's kind of like a last minute idea when I was bored making tumblers. But I will post some pictures that I did take of the whole process. And this is actually one of the tumblers that you just get from Walmart. I think it's the Ozark Trail brand. It was maybe $6 or $7 for it. But yeah, that's all for today. I just wanted to show you what I've been working on. Thanks for watching.